Have you ever looked at an old ebook you've either written or picked up with PLR rights and wondered how you could make more money from it without having to constantly create new content? Most people don't realize just how powerful a single ebook can be. With the right strategy and the right tools, one ebook can be turned into multiple income streams that work for you in different ways on different platforms. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the best ways to turn a single ebook into a steady stream of income. This isn't about selling the same thing in multiple places. It's about repurposing that ebook into entirely different products that generate real results. You'll learn how to turn your ebook into a full video course, how to use it to build a monetized blog, and how to break it into a YouTube video series. Each one of these methods works on its own, but when you combine them, you'll start to see real scalable results.
My goal for this channel is to help you create your products as quickly as possible. To do this, I'll walk you through different strategies and techniques to be able to help you create your products. Products like video courses, ebooks, PLR products, as well as PowerPoint presentation tips. And we can't forget about AI tools. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, guys, let's go check it out.
Number 1, turn the ebook into a full video course. Creating a full course from your ebook is one of the fastest ways to turn text into a higher value product. People will pay more for video content than they will for a written guide, even if the information is exactly the same. That's why this is the first and most powerful way to repurpose your ebook. Here's the updated and correct strategy to get this done. Start by breaking your ebook into chapters. You'll want to work one chapter at a time to keep the process manageable. Open ChatGPT and paste in a single chapter. Ask it to rewrite the content into a script for a video course lesson. Make sure to tell it to use contractions and a conversational tone so it reads naturally when spoken aloud. Just in case you're not sure what a contraction is, it's when 2 words are combined into one. For example, do not becomes don't, you are becomes your, and I will becomes I'll. This makes your script sound more like a real person talking and less like something being read from a textbook. Once ChatGPT gives you the rewritten script, go through it and make sure each section lines up with one main idea. That's going to make the next part easier. Save the script and label it by chapter, like Chapter 1 script. Next, head over to Presentations AI and upload that script. It will generate a slide deck based on the text you give it. After it creates the presentation, download the file as a PowerPoint file. Now open the PowerPoint and go through each slide. Match each part of your script with the corresponding slide content. Paste only the portion of the script that relates to that slide into the notes section underneath it. This is important. You do need to divide the script to match the timing and flow of the slides. Pictory will use this notes section to match the voiceover to the slides later, so keeping it organized and matched is a key step. Once your notes are in place, use Minimax Audio to generate a voiceover using your cloned voice. The reason I recommend Minimax is because the quality of their regular voiceovers is just as good as 11 Labs, but the voice cloning is even better. It actually sounds like you, not like a robot. After generating the voiceover, go back to PowerPoint. Don't try to match the audio to each slide individually. Instead, insert the full voiceover as one audio file across the entire presentation. Here's how to do it. Click Insert, then select Audio, and choose Audio on my PC. Find your Minimax voiceover file and insert it. Once it's added, click the Playback tab and check the boxes for Play Across Slides and Hide During Show. In the drop-down that says Start, choose Automatically. This makes sure your audio plays seamlessly from start to finish. Now go to Pictory. Use the PPT to video option to upload your PowerPoint file. Pictory will read the script in the notes section and sync your voiceover slide by slide. This is where the real magic happens. No need to manually time anything. Pictory handles it for you. Repeat this process for each chapter, and by the end, you'll have a full video course made entirely from your ebook. Once it's finished, upload the course to Heights platform. Heights gives you full control over your course, and it doesn't restrict AI voiceovers and lets you keep 100% of your branding. This gives you a professional quality video course built from content you already had and is ready to be sold, packaged, or even turned into a PLR product later. Number 2, repurpose the content into blog posts. Your ebook is full of information that can be split into blog posts, each one attracting traffic and generating revenue long term. This method is a smart way to turn the same content into something search engines can index and something people can read on the go. Start by taking each chapter or section from your ebook and running it through ChatGPT. Ask it to rewrite content into a blog post. You'll want to include subheadings, bullet points, and use a tone that's easy to read on screen. Aim for blog-friendly formatting. That means short paragraphs and scannable content. Once your post is ready, publish it to your blog. You can now start monetizing in a few simple ways. First, include affiliate links. These links point to products, tools, or courses that relate to your post topic. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Second, apply for Google AdSense and enable ads on your site. Every time someone visits your post and clicks an ad, you make money. It's passive income that builds as your traffic grows. Third, link back to your video course from your blog post. If someone lands on your blog and finds your free content helpful, there's a good chance they'll be interested in the full course. That turns each post into a traffic source for your premium content. And the best part is, once these blog posts are published, they keep working for you day and night, bring traffic, affiliate clicks, and course buyers without any extra work. Number 3, turn the ebook into a YouTube video series. YouTube gives you another platform to stretch your ebook content into something dynamic and profitable. Each chapter or major point in your ebook can be turned into a short video that educates and engages viewers. Start by splitting the ebook into smaller sections. Each one should focus on a single idea that's easy to explain in 8 to 10 minutes. Take that section and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it as a casual, friendly YouTube script. Remember to include contractions and natural language to keep it sounding real. Once you have your script, run it through Presentations AI and generate your slides. Download the PowerPoint presentation and divide the script into smaller parts that match each slide. Paste each part into the notes section underneath the appropriate slide. Then generate your voiceover using Minimax Audio, again using your cloned voice for a personal touch. Insert the full voiceover into PowerPoint using the same method as before. Go to Insert, choose Audio on my PC, select your voiceover, then under Playback, set it to play across slides. Hide it during the show and have it start automatically. Once your PowerPoint is ready, upload it to Pictory using the PPT to video feature. Pictory will use the notes you added and the voiceover to sync everything slide by slide. No need to spend time manually editing or trying to align audio with visuals. Upload your finished videos to YouTube. In your video descriptions, include affiliate links to related products, a link to your blog, and a link to your full course. As your views grow, so does your income, both through affiliate sales and eventually ad revenue once your channel gets monetized. You can even organize your videos into a playlist that walks viewers through the entire ebook, one lesson at a time. Let's quickly recap. First, turn your ebook into a high-value video course by breaking it into chapters, rewriting each one as a script, generating slide decks, syncing your Minimax voiceover, and letting Pictory do the final conversion. Second, repurpose those chapters into blog posts that bring in search traffic, affiliate income, and AdSense revenue. And third, turn each section into a YouTube video with slides and narration, complete with links to your offers for ongoing income and exposure. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know which of these strategies you're going to start with first. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.